ready whenever you are. In the last 2 years of being in the UAE from the UK, the tax landscape has changed dramatically. And I think it's really important to appreciate why we are where we are in relation to taxation in this country. Back in 2008, the governments did what governments do best, and that is print money to save the big corporations, including the banks, from bankruptcy as a result of the financial crisis, due to which all of the major governments, the so-called G7, approached the OECD and said enough is enough. We now need to make sure these large corporates that the big governments have just bailed out pay their fair share of taxation. As a result, the OECD developed what is now known as the BEPS project, the Base Erosion Profit Shifting. And the OECD went after all of the countries that were known to be tax havens. A tax haven, as you all know, are countries with preferential rates of corporation tax, of which the UAE was one of them. Companies moving their operations from high tax jurisdictions to low tax jurisdictions was no longer the norm. It became unacceptable. The OECD approached countries like the UAE and asked them politely to become inclusive members of the organization so that they develop a system of taxation, a system of economic substance, so companies can't just set up operations in countries where the rates of tax are preferential. The UAE became an inclusive member around 2013-2014 and as a result decided to implement a system of taxation. They formed the Federal Tax Authority, the FDA, in 2016 with a mandate of introducing taxation at the federal level for the first time. This is why VAT was introduced in 2018 and now we have corporate income tax. At Kaplan, we stay ahead of the game. We've introduced workshops in the region to make sure businesses that are affected by corporate income tax also stay ahead of the game. Join us on the 8th of June, where I'll be dissecting all of the key implications of the corporate income tax legislation throughout that entire day. I'm really looking forward to it. I'm hoping to see you there.